Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, you don't know this are the skiller. Now, this is a touching story. And a story where show that Jamaica need more caring people. Caring people like a man we're going to talk about right now. And the Angel, Jamaica dancehall artist. You see me? Yeah. This man was going about his business. And him see a little youth sell chocolate for make up. You know, his life is like things not too well at home. So this man interviewed the youth in order to get an understanding and make Jamaica see what go on and see the need of this youth, and that man give a little help also. Now, the story hit social media so big, and I know say a lot of dancehall artists supposed to see this, and a lot of people supposed to see this. But the angel got a soft heart and decided, yo, I need to do something about this, and she did help. So here I am going to play a few clips so that you can get a full understanding of how the whole thing started to the end where the angel gave her assistance. Alright? Please observe.
So you love to that trade. If that doesn't work out, you want to be a dancehall artist, international footballer, or a barber. What are some of the challenges you're experiencing right now?
Yes, it's really tough for me. Because when I didn't have any money to go to school, I have to come out here on the hustling, sell some little chocolate and stuff.
So you sell sticky every now and then to hustle to make ends meet. Who do you live with?
I live with my grandmothers and my 2 uncles.
Live with his grandmother and 2 uncles. This guy is like a real cool youth, but he comes out here. How often? You come out here every day?
No, I come out here on Fridays and Saturdays.
So he comes out on a Friday and on a Saturday to do look up him. Him sell ticket chocolate, you know. Some of us may support him, some may not support him, but this guy have a story. You say you love sports, right?
Yes.
You want to become a footballer. Do you play for your school or get a chance to play for your school?
No.
And why is that so?
Because I don't have a birth certificate.
So you say he's 15 but he doesn't have a birth certificate. He doesn't know his father. And he says his mother's overseas, and he doesn't know his mother either. That's correct?
Yes.
Alright, so he don't know his mother. So he lives with his grandmother and uncles. He doesn't know his father, and his mother's overseas. But he doesn't have a birth certificate, so that is kind of holding up from participating in any event, because your age is going to be a requirement for you to participate in any sport in ISA in Jamaica. How difficult is it for you to make enough money to sustain yourself for the week or for the days you go to school?
Yes. Sometimes I make like all $3,000 to $4,000 or $5,000.
In the day or for the week?
For the week.
For the week.
Yes.
Is that enough to sustain it for the week?
Sometimes they don't buy or give me anything at all.
So when you get that money, it's shared for you and who?
And my grandmother.
How old is your grandma?
She's 53 years old.
53. So he goes out on the Fridays and Saturdays to do him little hustling, sell him ticket chocolates, and that money that he makes takes care of him and his grandmother. Folks, that the challenge is really out there, and sometimes we see persons in situation and we just don't know, and this is one here. I mean, this young man, I don't see any reason why we can say this is a bad guy. Look like a cool, pretty cool youth, and he comes and he asks you to buy his chocolate and stuff, and he needs the help and the support. The more we can help those that are below us, then the better things will be for the future. What do you want to say to anybody out there right now who's watching this?
Yes, I want to give me the support if you can and help me live a better life.
Yeah.
Yes, and it's him, the gentleman saw and send the video. So he was selling chocolate and stuff and things. You can't talk shop word.
No, but me get the story already, but I am here. I come down here to see the real thing. You understand? Because a lot of things are out there in the media, and
yeah, that's why you said too much of the video thing me don't into
and
no
if
more.
me did follow that, it will distract them when they come down here.
Yeah, because
understand?
pure
Because people tear me down too.
Yes. So you know
and
what
I
it
saw
is.
the story and I
Yes.
just decided I'm just gonna come and just do what I can do with the goodness of my heart.
Yes,
Understand me? I say so.
God will bless you.
See the place, yeah? And come go in there.
Ah, yeah, right. Where am I talk about?
And this is the place. And this is the grandma.
Yeah.
See the place, yeah? See the place, yeah?
Because my son called me, man, my
See
bash
the place
down
here?
about me, make people come in here, and a bash, and people come and talk, we say them nan this and them nan that, and one is a argument, see mother here, so.
So where mother then?
She be America.
Oh, she in America.
Yeah.
But you keep in touch with him?
Yeah, man, she call him now and then.
No, we don't necessarily want.
Yeah, but me tell you, how me make them come and a video me and him at the house and...
So when were your mother?
She leave him when he was a baby.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, maybe, you know, when she anxious to go away, she leave him. That's why even the birth paper she never get, because she leave the red slip. And Angel may tell her, say, me have him from him about 3 months old, me have him from. So in his 50s, so all along me have him. I'm a batter with him, and the people am going to talk, and money she want, and but it's alright. To me, don't know my God is real. Me not make
Because you have to still go to school, you have to survive.
Yes, right.
So what was the purpose of the video?
I can bring it
To the box, yeah? So there's a food supplies. You see me? It's a food supplies, all these things in there.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Yeah, God bless you.
That's an half bag of rice.
Alright.
You rice there?
Protect yourself.
Yeah, man, me love it.
Some of the response that people want to say. Anything we do have to do with the goodness of my heart. May God be the judgment. May God be the judge.
You know, a lot of people out there can help others. And I know that, you know, you cannot help everyone. I know that, I understand that. But there's a lot that can do something. You know what I mean? I mean, it would be nice if everyone that can do something to change the world come together and actually change the world. But we all see that the world is not going to want that to happen because of them own selfish games. You get what I'm saying to you? Now, what the angel do right here so is a very commendable, very respected effort, a very big thing to how me look at it. You see me, I say something that anyone should look at and know, say, yo, them need to take part in things like these. Give a helping hand. You see me? No matter how small it be. You understand? Yeah. The world that we build is the world that we are going to live in. That them to understand. Let me show you something, for instance. If you live in a community and you don't try to let the community look like an uplifting community, means to say that if your house is made out of brick with lawn, grass and flowers and so forth, but your neighbors' houses are made out of shackles and all these things with garbage thrown everywhere, that neighborhood is going to be devalued. You see me? So it doesn't matter if you live in a Jacksonville, it doesn't matter if you live in a big rich residential area. The moment that there are other areas in the same country you live in looking like the worst, it reflects back on your community as well, because that's a neighboring community. So the moment you uplift that community, your community is only going to become of a higher standard. Yes, it is already of a high standard. But when you do this, it only makes it becomes higher. You see? And that will make Jamaica lift and become a bigger, better country. I always say that. You see? But anyways, respect to that Good Samaritan man, and respect to the angel, another Good Samaritan, and I only hope in the future I can say the same thing for a lot more people towards an effort like this. You see me? Anyways, I don't know the thing already. You're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave a comment, let me know what you think. My name is Skilla, and this way just say the Dancehall Skilla ENT. Only big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you are.